Hi, this is Chaitra Ashwath Narana and I'm part of EForT Project Spring 2019. Product owner of the project is Dr. Masood Sijadi. So this subtask, EFRT 871, is basically created to enable and disable the list of scripts and the advisors from the Guru homepage directly from the list view. So this doesn't have to be getting into the edit view in order to edit them. So let's get into the Visual Studio for the script. So basically this requires an Ajax action that so here if we have to do the toggling functionality on the list view, so it requires an Ajax action, so that's been made up here. So we have the Ajax script that's been added into the jQuery. So this is the script that's been added for it. And getting on to the view expert advisor, we can see that we have the script that's been added. This is basically to the toggle on the front end, and this in turn connects to the controller and forms the action. So the same thing is also being called out in the particular field. So we can see that here we are passing the that particular action here, and the ID is like we are passing the export ID for each and every toggle button, so that that particular field is um, toggled upon. And the same goes with the script, with this particular script and the other portion. So getting on to the registered controller, so we have the toggling option that's been called out. So we have here, so this is the HTTP post action that's been called out for the toggling the export advisor from the list view and toggling the scripts from the from the list view. So the same thing is being called out in the Forex manager. So we can just get into this and see how this looks. So we can see here, so the same functionality is being called out in for the export ID with the particular script ID to toggle it from the front end, and that's been updated in the Forex DB using the start procedure. So we have the toggling. This is the script that toggles both the script and the export advisor from the list view. The same thing has been called out in the API. So we have that defined in the Forex controller. So here it goes, toggling the export advisor and toggling the script. So the stored procedures for the same is being defined here. We can see that the toggle scripts and the toggle export advisor, the stored procedure that's been created. So this takes the export ID and updates the particular field on the toggle option for the script and the export advisor. So let's get into the view and see how it looks. Let's go to the view export advisor. So we have the view that's being displayed here, and I want to enable this particular advisor to from the list view. So let's get into the table and how it looks. So we have the export advisor, advisor 2 is disabled, so it's 0, and it's the same thing here. Now I would like to enable this. So once I enable this, I just go and refresh this, and I have the enabled option here. So the same happens for the scripts. So here I have both of them enabled. So let's get into this and see. So we have them enabled here, and I would like to disable both of them. I just disable it from the front end, and when I refresh this, so I can see that both of them has been disabled. So this is the story for this particular enabling and disabling the list of expert advisors and the scripts from the Guru homepage. So for any other details, please contact our product owner, Dr. Masood Sijadi. Thank you.